begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today I'm going to demonstrate project name IoT-based wall climbing car. Okay, so in this project we have Arduino microcontroller with Bluetooth module, IR sensor for crack detection, ESP, motor. Okay, so this is the car part, and we have advanced features with IoT. So we have Arduino again, then we have MQ2 sensor here, MQ9, then we have Wi-Fi module for sending data to ThinkSpeak server. Okay, in further video we'll see how these things will communicate. And then we have power supply for this and power supply for this. And one more power supply is going towards ESP32 Cam. Okay, this is camera module which is used for surveillance. And one power supply module is going for lighting. We are using one light array using LEDs, so it will light up the environment. Just to see what's in the front using the camera. Okay, and Bluetooth app we can use, any Bluetooth app we can use which is communicating serially with the microcontroller, and through Bluetooth we can send some characters like F for going forward, backward, left, right, stop. Okay, IR detection. And here we have one LED which will glow when crack is detected. And also we have here L293D motor driver connected with 4 motors. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are using this to give power. It is a driver, motor driver. Okay, so these are the components we are using in the car. So I will show you here also. And to Wi-Fi we are giving power supply using 3.3 volt regulator. Okay, so these are the components. And from this side, MQ and one more sensor is here, which is your ultrasonic sensor for measuring the distance of Xilir. And all these parameters will be monitored on web server, so we will get readings like this. Okay, like distance, MQ2, MQ3, and we can also have some lamp for if some value trigger, it will using show. This PLDC motor, high speed, high torque. We have one light here to see the output in low light. We have camera here, then we have Arduino Uno microcontroller, Bluetooth module, ESC controller, battery, Wi-Fi, 3.3 volt regulator for this Wi-Fi, Arduino microcontroller again for IoT part. We have gas sensor number 1, gas sensor number 2. This is MQ2, MQ9. We can replace these sensors as required, like MQ135, MQ7, MQ3, and etc. can be used here. And this is power hub module. Okay, and this is G10 material on which we have mounted all components with the help of glue gun and screws. And then we have BO motors. We have wheel here, and these are DC motors. Every DC motor is of 12 volt, and we have jumper wires here connected together, and ties also we have used. Okay, so these are the components we have used here. Now we will see working of this project. First we will see the wall climbing part, and after that I will show you how camera module and IoT part is working. Okay, so now I have added one tape just to show crack detection. Okay, now you will see. Let's start. what we have to do, we have to create hotspot here. Hotspot with the name, project 1234567 password, and 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth, and these two devices will be connected automatically. And one device is camera module, so this is ESP32. So we have to copy this ID and we will go here and paste it and start stream. And over this side you will get video output. Okay, and you can make it large like this. Okay, so this is feed from this camera. Okay, so after camera part we will see IoT part here. So for IoT we have to open ThinkSpeak and log in to our account, and the value should be 1 minute ago. It means live values are updated here. So it is showing the distance, something in front of it, so it will show in a distance in centimeter. And here we have MQ9 sensor value in ppm, and here we have MQ2 value, and here we can have one lamp indicator. If some value trigger from any threshold value, like if it is going above 300, we can set here in the indicator and this lamp will be on just to show the danger. Then we have location adder here, like you can add channel location, like where you are doing operations, just and add on reading. Now you will see Bluetooth controlled car here. Okay, so we have connected it. It's connected. And now you will see how it is working. And for more details about the project, you can check description, and we have link also for buying this project. Check in the description. Okay, and thank you guys for watching the video. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.